Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm reviewing this stainless steel cutting board from DARAZ, and those are the ones I ordered from TEMU earlier. So let's first check the sizes and quality, then we'll also run a magnet test on them to see if these are actual stainless steel or not. This has come in a nice packing. I hope it's not dented from inside. The ones from DARAZ came with that sticker sheet on for protection, so they were not scratched or anything. Sorry, the ones from TEMU came with that sticker sheet on, so there were no scratches or anything. Now let's see this. So as you can see, the back side has some marks. I think these are the finger marks, and the front side has a sticker sheet. This one has a white sticker sheet, and the ones from TEMU had blue sticker sheets. This one also has this stopper here, so we can actually place it on the counter or the table like this. Yeah, so this is pretty big. Let's see if this connects with the magnet, because they claim it is stainless steel. No, it's not connecting, which means this is actually SUS 303, 304. Let's check. This one has it written over here, the one I ordered from TEMU earlier, 304, SUS 304. So this does not connect with magnet either. Okay, but the other set I ordered from TEMU was connecting to magnet, and this actually just feels like a iron sheet, and you can see it is already rusting. Yeah, you see these marks. And this one was also this one also came with this set, so this is also connecting. I haven't used this yet, so it still has the cover on. However, we are going to remove the cover of this one now and see how it is. Let's put the camera down and use both hands for this. This is actually very satisfying. Okay, this looks pretty good, you can see, and this is spotless. These are my finger marks, because obviously this is stainless steel. When you put your fingers on it, it leaves marks, but these are not scratches or anything. This is absolutely clean, and the size is pretty big. I ordered the large one. They also have a XL size, which is bigger than this, but I just thought that it will be difficult to handle that. So this is almost double the size. I have removed one side of the cover of this, and I haven't removed the other. But on stainless steel, you will always see these scratches. So it does come, but then it doesn't hold germs or anything in it, so it's still safer. But the moment you use the knife, and the magnet has stuck on it, the moment you use the knife, you see the scratch over there. See this? Anyways, this one is from Herlick's Home, and this is really good. If you have to order from DARAZ, try this brand. I actually asked them in chat about the thickness of the sheet and if it was connecting to the magnet. They have a couple of other stores also selling this, but this store had the highest rating, and they had a good communication. Like I asked them about the thickness and everything, so they told me this is not very thick, obviously, because this is stainless steel, but this is not as sharp as a blade, right? Because the other sellers told me the thickness was a little lesser than this. See, the one from TEMU, this is actually a little thicker than the ones I ordered from TEMU, so it's good. I would recommend it. It costed me around 1600 and something rupees after all the discounts and everything, because they had this 10 sale, 10th October sale and everything. So today is 16th October and I have already received the delivery. I placed the order I think on 10th or 11th, which was fast enough. And if you are looking for something like this, and if you want to get rid of the plastic and the wooden cutting boards, and this is also great for making roti, you know. So I was using this for roti, and I thought that this was not big enough because then the flour goes out, so I wanted a size bigger. This is good enough for one roti over here, and we can put all those, you know, pedas on one side, and if you want your rolling pin to be resting on one side, so this one has enough space for all of that. So I will be using this for making all the breads and rotis and pizza dough and everything, and this one I will keep for cutting because it already has scratches on it, and those ones I suppose I will be discarding because I don't think it's safe to use it after it has all that rust on. So thank you so much for watching. If you're using these cutting boards, tell me which brand are you using, and how has the experience been so far. Take care. Bye bye.